Do you want to start importation and you're a bit confused about where to start, how to start, which apps to use, how to communicate properly, how to ship your items and the rest of it? Then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 powerful apps that I use to import from China without stress, right? So these are the same apps that I and my students have been using for years now, and it has helped us to avoid being scammed, avoid getting low quality products, and also help us to import successfully without stress. So if this sounds like the kind of video that you're interested in, make sure you watch to the end. Hi, if you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Rachael from Z Plus Importation. I am a China importation coach and agent, and also the CEO of Z Plus Group, where we have Z Plus Importation, and we've been working as a procurement agent and China importation coach for over 7 years. We've trained a lot of students all over the world. I'm happy to meet you. Can I also know you in the comment? All right, let's dive into the video proper. The first and the most important app is 1688. 1688 is everything about China importation. If you are an importer and you're not shopping from 1688, then you're making a mistake. 1688 is more like Alibaba app, but this time is for the Chinese community, and that is why everything is in Chinese, though the upgraded version also is written in English at times, but most times they are in Chinese because they were meant for the Chinese community. And it's a wholesale platform where you can shop from, you can import anything from, this time directly from manufacturers at a very good rate, and you can also buy in small quantity, like minimum order of 1, 2, 3, compared to other platforms where you need to buy up to 1,000. All right, when you're comparing the best shopping websites in China, 1688 is the top, is the number one. Yeah, I've checked it with Alibaba, I've checked it with AliExpress, I've checked it with even your Temu. 1688 is the cheapest, and you get good products, affordable products from there. If you're starting China importation, make sure you download the 1688 app and thank me later. All right, so it's in Chinese, of course, it's in Chinese, and it's something that you can figure out. If you can't, then I am here for you. Send me a DM or drop a comment, and I will do more videos on how you can navigate through it. Or you can send me a DM for one-on-one consultation, or if you want classes, you can also send me a DM on Instagram at Rachael. All right, let's move to the second app, which is Alipay. Alipay is another sweet app in this China importation business that I love so much. Alipay is majorly for payments, right? Remember, 1688 is for shopping, Alipay is for payment. It's the major payment app used in China, right? So just like the way we have our payments platform common in our country, what is common when it comes to paying paying for goods, for services in China is 1688 app, and is the app is in English. It's very easy to navigate. It's secured. When you are making payment on Alipay, just know that your payment is secured. You can find out that when you are trying to register or make payment on the app. The security system is very tight compared to any app that I've used. And when it comes to security, China is top notch, and this 1688, your money is secured. You don't even need to worry. You get refund directly. If you mistakenly transfer money to a different account, you can easily get it on 1688. Which app does that? It's very, very good and easy to use app, and it's something that you should have. I also made a video on how to set up Alipay app if you're a bit confused about setting up. I don't know if it's on this channel. I have my personal channel, Rachael channel. I don't know if it's on this channel I made that video, or on Rachael channel, right? So you can check it out. I will check and drop the link of the video in the description. All right, you can check it out and download the app. All right, so let's move to the third app. I told you that it's going to be 4 powerful apps, right? There are a lot of apps, but these ones are the top-notch apps that you need to have if you're starting up as a China importation business China importer. Yeah, China importer is the word, right? Okay, so we'll move to the third one, which is Gboard. Gboard is for translation, right? We mentioned 1688 and everything is in Chinese. So you'll be wondering, how do you chat with suppliers and the rest of it? With Gboard, which is Google Keyboard, it's very easy for you to translate while chatting with suppliers, because if you don't chat with suppliers very well, there might be mistake when shipping your items and it might lead to wrong goods or wrong communication. Yeah, so it's very good you have this app. It helps you translate a whole lot of things on 1688. It is a keyboard you use in chatting with your supplier. All right, so I'm very sure you have other apps that you're using. Let us know in the comment section, which app do you use for translation or for any of these things. Let us know in the comment section while we take the last one, which is your WhatsApp app. Yes, everyone should have WhatsApp by now. That if WhatsApp is allowed in your country, right? Everyone should have WhatsApp by now. WhatsApp is for communication, right? You use WhatsApp to communicate with your procurement agent, your shipping company, and some Chinese suppliers. You know, not all Chinese suppliers are on WhatsApp. They prefer using WeChat, right? And WeChat now sometimes is restricted to few persons. So WhatsApp is also good. You can chat with your suppliers on WhatsApp. But there's one thing I always advise people not to do. Don't make payment to Chinese suppliers on WhatsApp. Make payments on the app. Yeah, make payments on the app. Payments on WhatsApp, if the supplier block you, your money is gone. But on the app, it's very easy to get everything back. If your supplier is not responding, the app will help you get your money back. See, these things are easy. China importation is not that hard if you're working with a good coach, and also if you're using a good procurement agent. So if you're interested in having a China importation coach, hi, Azim Plus Importation will offer importation training, one-on-one, pre-recorded class, different kinds of class, anyone that suits your time and your budget, you can as well go for with. You can send us a DM on Instagram at Z Plus Importation or Rachael Brian and book a section with us. We've been in this business for 7 years and it's something that we know, we do it. We don't just teach, right? We also import, we sell, right? We sell our products as well. We have a pre-order group. If you're interested in joining pre-order, we have a pre-order group. So let's get back to WhatsApp. WhatsApp is also for communication with your procurement agent. So if you want to talk with us as Z Plus Importation, we make use of WhatsApp for communication. As Z Plus Importation, we also help you ship your items. So you don't need to stress yourself about clearing and shipping. We help you do all of this. So it's for majorly communication. It's a must-have. Which of these apps do you have on your phone? Which of them is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section. Also, if you want me to make any video about any topic on China importation, you can as well drop a comment and I will do just that for you. For now, I have to stop until I come your way again. Bye.